I make no comment whatsoever in the trade of human hair for hair extensions. Some people like them, some people don't. That's entirely a matter for them. But on the face of this case, which looks rather straightforward, there's actually a degree of complexity. Niki, Surelle, when people set up a business, they have a contract normally, and that sets out what the relevant financial risks of each party is. The contract that you have with this unnamed gentleman is between you and him. And all the burdens and all the responsibilities of that contract are between you and him. And on the face of the papers I have, you're responsible for paying him, you're responsible for all the risk, you're responsible for all the money that was handed over to him. And that's a contract that you signed, and importantly, that's also the contract that you signed. Yeah. You understood, based upon the black and white that I can see, that Surelle, she was ultimately responsible for that arrangement. But it doesn't end there, because there's a second contract. The second contract is between you, Niki, and Surelle. In other words, she's got a contract with the guy to provide the hair, and you've got a contract with Surelle that you're going to give her this money, and subject to her behaving fairly and reasonably, and all the rest of it, that if the hair is provided, yes, everything will be happy. The terms of the contract that you had with Surelle was that you would give her the money and she would provide you with the hair. That's the basis of that contract. You gave her the money. Whether she put her money in or not, I don't know. I doubt it, but there it is. She took a further £1,500 in circumstances where she has no explanation, bearing in mind there was absolutely no need whatsoever for this gentleman to have that money, as the two of you were going to be setting up the storage facility. Surelle didn't deliver on the hair. Surelle didn't deliver on the storage facility. Surelle does, happy days Surelle, have a contract with this unknown gentleman in Russia. And Surelle, if you ever find him, perhaps with deed poll or the help of a clairvoyant, then the reality of the situation is that you'll be able to sue this gentleman in due course because you have a contract with him. Happy days. But what I am satisfied, based upon the contract that I imply that you have with Surelle, Niki, is that you're entitled to sue her for all of the money because she didn't deliver on the hair or a place to sell the hair from. Therefore, your claim of £2,000 for the amount that you put into this business and the £1,500 for the storage, I entirely accept. And to that extent, this court awards you £3,500. Better luck next time.